Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel and the latest Canary version, the latest build of Windows Insider's Canary finally has given me the new start menu. So I could see it here now with the folders, and this is interesting. So you got the category, you got the grid view, which now brings you all the apps without having to show it all, and a list view. So this is now what it looks like with the new start menu. So you have access to all your apps without having to actually do anything to show it all. And by default, it's a category view with folders. So, yeah, it seems that that new start menu is here now, and of course start settings will have changed also to show the different start options. And so folders on start, account related information, show recently added apps, recommendations. Kind of interesting to see how all of that, the personalization of start menu and all. They did kind of change things, though, the way that you customize your different options and the menu itself. But all right, so this is now my first computer that gets this brand new start menu, which I do like better than having what we had before. I have to say that this is an improvement, but will it be what people want? I don't think so. I think a lot of people, it's not really what they want, but it is now available here. So I'm going to check that out. And for those, once again, that are on the Canary version, remember that the Canary version has this weird build number, which is 26H1, which is not intended for regular users. So don't think there's a 26H1 for you guys. There is not. There will be a 26H1, which will be for the Copilot Plus PCs that are on the ARM chips. On the ARM chips, 26H1 is a thing, but for us regular folks, 26H2 is going to be the next update later next year. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.